Here I have CAVION Base 5.0, and today I'm going to show you how to enter factory mode on this device. So to do this, you just have to turn it off firstly, and after it turns off completely, you have to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. After the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding only volume down. Like this. And that's how you enter factory mode. Using volume down, you can navigate through the factory mode, and power key, you can select options. And here you have such options as auto test, manual test, item test, test report, debug test, clear eMMC, version and reboot. If you want to exit this mode, just select the last option, reboot, and after that your device will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.